Hello everybody, welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where each week I show boomers how to use tech to make their lives just a little easier. Hi, I am Bertrand. Now if you haven't subscribed already, please help us out by hitting that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get our next video when it comes out. Now, a friend asked me, she said, why don't you ever create a video showing me how to use the camera on my iPhone? So I thought, well, that's a great idea. So in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you the basics of how to use cameras to take outstanding pictures on your iPhone. So why don't you just sit back, either grab a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a bourbon, or whatever you like, and let's get into this video. To access the camera on your phone, you need to unlock your phone first. You can do this by swiping up on your screen or by using your fingerprint, face, or pen. Once your phone is unlocked, you can find the camera app on your home screen. It looks like a circle with a camera inside. Tap on it to open the camera's app. You will see a preview of what your camera is pointing at on the screen. You can switch between front and rear camera by tapping on the icon that looks like two arrows. You can use the front camera for selfies or video calls and the rear camera for everything else. To take a photo, you will need to tap on the big white circle on the screen. You will hear a shutter sound and see a flash if you have it enabled. To take a video, you simply take your finger and you drag this down to video, and then you tap the red dot inside the circle. Now you're recording a video. To pause the video, you tap pause, and to stop the video, you tap stop. To zoom in, you simply take your finger, place it on the screen, and spread it and close it. To change the aspect ratio, you simply tap on the aspect ratio icon on the left-hand side and choose the different aspects from full to 1:1 to 16:9 or 4:3. If you want to take multiple photos for action shots, simply take your shutter and drag it to the right. If you want to review the picture, tap on the picture icon at the bottom of the shutter. Now you're in your gallery mode and simply go through and look at your pictures or videos. If you want to edit the picture, simply tap the edit symbol at the top. So now you can edit the picture. One of the easiest things to do to edit your picture is to tap the auto and then let the computer on the phone decide what the picture should look like. Now, in this video, we're not going to go into the editing of the video. We'll save that for a future video. Now, if you want to share the video, if you want to send it to a friend via email or on social media, you go to your share button at the top and you tap on it. You choose the item or items that you would like to share. Then you choose the avenue that you want to share it with. Say if you want to send it via email. And send it. Now, if you wanted to take a portrait mode, you simply tap on the portrait mode. And if you want the background to be blurred out, you simply tap on the effects strength. You drag it from the left to the right, and you'll notice everything other than the subject being blurred. If you're taking pictures at night, then you want to go to more and then tap on night. Now that's going to allow you to take better pictures at night. If you wanted to change the different camera lenses, you simply go down to the bottom where you see this icon and you tap the 5, that's going to take it further away. You tap the 1, that's going to bring it closer by 1x, and then you tap the 2, that's going to bring it even closer by 2x. Now to activate the flash, or to use the flash, you simply tap the arrow in the center of your screen and you notice this box will come up. Now in the left hand corner you see your flash icon, so you tap it. Now you have 3 different options. You can go flash auto, which means it will automatically flash based on the ambient lighting. You can tap on, which means it's going to flash regardless. And if we take a picture, you see it flash. Now we go back, and then to turn it off, you tap the off. Now, let's say you want to take a selfie, or you want to take a picture with some family members, and you want to add a timer. Well, if you want to add a timer, then if you're in this screen, you can tap the arrow here, and you see where you have this thing that looks like a little clock almost. You tap that icon, and now it will give you several options. You can turn the timer off, you can have it timed for 3 seconds, or you can have it timed for 10 seconds. To activate it, you simply touch it. We're going to go for 3 seconds. So we'll touch it. Now when you press your shutter button, it's going to count down 3 seconds, and then it's going to take the picture. And to turn it off, you simply go back, and then you tap off. If you want to go into some other things that you can do with the camera, we'll just show you where to go to get it. Tap on more. Now in here you have a pro mode, you have a night mode. If you're going to take food, you do panoramic, macro, slow motion, and hyperlapse. All of these things can be done from this mode here. Now we're not going to focus on that because we'll save that for another video. Well, hopefully you found this video to be very beneficial, and if you have, please give us a like. It really helps the channel to grow. And by the way, eventually I'm going to start to have quick start guides for all of the videos that we have, just in case the video doesn't help you the way you think it should. Maybe you're the type of person who likes to learn more from reading it. So I'm going to have a quick start guide so you can reference back to all of the different tutorials we have on this site. Again, thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show, and I hope you see me in the next video.